Okay, so we'll just start with this. Stick that underneath the fuel port. Well, these ones are still nice and soft, probably because they're oil soaked. That one was a little sticky. Alright, what do we need now? P30. Clean the holes out. T30. Wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Try and get it unstuck off those O-rings. Been on there for quite a while. Oh, she doesn't want to come off there. Yeah, fuel everywhere. Cart is going to be clean and fresh smelling today. Perfect. Perfect. Whatever. What's done is done. You do not need to save these if you get a decent injector kit. Sometimes the Amazon ones do not send them. Blah, 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 blah. I'm just complaining about the cheap shit, aren't I? I'm just complaining. Grossness. What? Oh yeah?
I'm not in love with you.
You realize she's gonna call you, right? Because she watches my videos. My mother. Yeah, more than likely. Yeah. Yeah.
Remember, you said you were going to inspect the interior.
Yeah, I didn't see anything yet. but she's also really dirty. I don't want to. We're not getting paid for it. Hope we're getting paid for it, but we're probably not. Okay. Yeah, I'll wash it. Ooh, those are a little bit melted, aren't they? Nice and flat. Not really doing much anymore like that. That could have been the misfire right there. Okay. I'm gonna go wash this and clean all this stuff up. Well, that's functional. That will be on the driver's side when I turn around, so that's where we're gonna leave that. We have our professional auto parts, fuel injectors. Fuel type gas, blade terminal, male. So very specific. Made in China. Where? Tiger. K-Tiger. K-Tiger. Well, I can't say I've ever heard of that brand. Well, it comes with extra O-rings. Sweet. Screens are all there. Yeah, that one's got a little bit of a scratch. No, that was a hair. That was just a hair. Getting ahead of myself. Those do not feel like they're gonna be very great. Yeah. Yeah. I'm slightly concerned about those seals. So we're gonna do a shake test. Or flip it over. And no, they're still in there. That one kind of moved a little bit, but it's okay. Okay, let's go back to the car and install it.